Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, and now click on this icon to download your app. Now you can click open, then click agree, and you can close this ad. Now click allow, and you can click on this button, then click allow again. Now you have to enter your passcode, and you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.